We are so blessed because my 80-year-old Pawpaw Sammy is getting ready to share some tips on soil health and how that impacts your garden's production. So enjoy, and please like and subscribe to Pawpaw Sammy and Allybug's YouTube channel. Thanks!
Prep your soil. The soil is the most important thing. If you look across my yard, it's around the fence rows, and I got blueberries by the fence, I got onions, herbs all over the yard. But you notice I can cut grass without killing myself. You know, I just pick a spot that is basically not being used, like my bee place. It's all on one side. This is the second year. See the cardboard? See the tomatoes? See the hay? You got road grass, but you don't see me pulling grass. I don't spend my time in the garden pulling grass. Now that's second year. This is first year. They might not even make it. Then again, they might take off, who knows. Plants are tough. So next year, they will take off. I'm not worried about it. I'm just starting now. Oh, that's my base. This is an automatic waterer on a timer. It waters without me even being here. This is automatic water also. I fixed to clean it out. It's in transition. You plant okra and peas. This is one of the eggplants that they pulled out and threw on the ground and said we're going to die. And I'm experimenting with it, and it's coming back beautiful. It looks ugly, but it's coming back.
Wait, Daddy, let's make a point here. He has talked about soil health several times.
This is what I mean about soil. See that? And why is it like that? Look at that fine stuff. For 3 or 4 years I've been working on this. I could stick my finger in it almost grow. I mean, you know, the same thing here.
But that's why that eggplant's coming back.
Look.
The soil's healthy.
Look. I got sweet potatoes. I got scarlet blackberries. I got ginger. Cucumbers. What they call them things? Mulberries?
Mulberries.
Not mulberries.
Raspberries?
Raspberries. I got blackberries. I got squash. I got a fig tree. I got basil, a fig tree, asparagus, onions, blueberries. It's all over the yard. Here again, as long as I've had this in operation. Look, what is there? Cardboard. And what's on top of it? Hay, leaves, you name it, it's under there. That brings the worms in. And once them worms take loose, get in there, you have no worries. See, everything I plant is under cardboard and mulch. See there? Look. You don't see me pulling grass. This serves two purposes. The pipe, it's a deep waterer. You water it there. It makes the plant roots go down. Instead of getting on top of the soil, they go down deep.
But you don't plant the plant in there.
No, you plant your plants, but that's the deep water which makes the plants pull the roots deep to get to the water. Also, I put food in there for the worms. There's worm towers.
What's that do?
Well, the worms are going in and eat and come back out here. Going in and eat and come back out here.
They have holes in them or something?
Oh yeah, they got holes in them. Look. See here? See there?
And that's underground too?
Oh yeah, all the way down. They're about that deep in the ground. And I just water them, drop the food in there, coffee grounds, whatever, and the worms take over. Same thing here with these blueberries. And you won't believe the blueberries I had this year. Look at them. Now, this, I got one tomato bush that's in bad shape. I'm working on it. Look at that tomato. I don't care who you are, you're going to get bad plants sometimes. Same plant, same tray, same seeds. Look at the difference.
Why?
I don't know. Better soil here for some reason, I don't know. That's why I cut the top off and I'm doctoring it, trying to work on it. There's my blueberries out here. You need to show this. You water and let it soak up from the bottom. These cups came from Dollar Tree. They were $1 and something for 50 cups. A lot cheaper than buying the other stuff and easy to come by.
Well, Pawpaw Sammy, I have a question. If I put soil in that and pour water, won't I rot my plants?
No. You don't drown them, and then you do the finger check. That's plenty damp.
What is the finger
So what's
check?
that? It's damp. Look, that's plenty damp.
Do you poke holes in the bottom of your cups?
Yeah.
Okay.
Always. Now look.
That's what the
see
plastic
there?
is for?
Look at the plants we have. It took me about 2 hours to do this. And by doing them in the cups, when it comes time to plant them, take them out, your roots are formed, and you got a plant, not a twig. These are just starting out. These are coming on.
You did these about 5 days ago.
No. These were done 3 days ago.
Oh, wow.
That's worm poop and compost and coffee grounds.
Okay, so you even make your own potting soil.
Yeah.
That's what's up, Grandpa.
You use peat moss, compost, coffee grounds, and
Worm castings.
worm poop. And, oh, by the way, I got 54 worms out of that worm poop you gave me, 2 eggs, and I just checked it at 3 days.
I told you there'd be a lot in there.
There's gonna be a lot more than that time your eggs start there. My blueberry bush is there. This is my Japanese plum. It looks rough, but it does produce. It produces big time. And these blueberries, of course, they're gone now. Season's over with. But I'm telling you, you won't believe the berries I got off these bushes.